Welcome to the O to UE stem changing verb lesson. I'm Caroline.
I'm Hailey. I'm Madison.
Now today we will be learning how to change the stem change from O to UE. Now with this, what you do is you take the O and the verb and you change it to UE. So for example, we're going to use poder. We're going to switch because we're having trouble. Okay. So, for example, we're going to make a chart because charts make things easier and better. And so we're going to have, cross out vosotros. Don't use vosotros. No, no. For yo, you switch the O to UE, so you'd have puedo. For two, you would have puedes. For usted, ella, and ello, you would have puede. For nosotros, now this one's a tricky one. For nosotros, you do not apply the O to UE. No, you keep it O. So it's just podemos. Podemos. Then for ustedes, ellas, and ellos, you would have pueden. So, as you see, this will really help you. Now, the things you have to remember, no, you do not. That is a big no-no. And that's really all you have to remember. I mean, do you think?
I think we're good.
You're good. And, yep, that's it.